Now let's take our button and add something more interesting to it. First, I'm going to get rid of this hit state rectangle because we're not going to need it. We're going to make a new visible rectangle behind the text. I'm holding down the Shift key and I'll hit F6, and that gets rid of that keyframe. Now grab the rectangle tool again, only this time I'm going to add some rounded corners to it. I'll try 12 there and see how it looks. Change the fill color. And fine-tune the position. Okay, there is the upstate. Now we can work on the overstate. To make it look different than the upstate, we'll need keyframes. So let's create them using the F6 key. And now we can work on the overstate independently. Change some colors. And test the movie. And that's all it takes to make an interactive button. Let's take this a step further though. I want to make the overstate animated. So, all we have to do in the overstate is just change the contents. Instead of a static graphic, let's convert this static graphic into a movie clip. The movie clip is animated and it will only display in the overstate. So this is how you create animated mouseovers. So to convert the base into a movie clip, select it, convert to symbol. This time, select movie clip and double click it to edit in place. I'm going to use an animated color change for this, and because we can't use the properties panel to apply color effects to basic drawn graphics, we're going to need to convert this into a symbol as well. So convert it. It can be a basic graphic symbol, and hit OK. Now all we have to do is set up the animation. Let's create new keyframes at say 6 and 11. Now select the contents at frame 6 and apply a color change. We use basic tint for this. Now apply some tweening. And while we're here, we've already learned how to apply motion tweening to a single frame, but you can apply motion tweening to multiple frames by simply clicking and dragging across the keyframes and then apply the tween. So from this animation we've just set up, our button background will start at the original color, animate through to a red, and then back to the original. And this will set up a loop. Let's see if it works. That's it. On the mouse over, we get the changing color effect. Now, if we return to the main timeline and select the button, all we have to do is add some simple ActionScript to the button to enable it to control anything else in the movie. We're covering ActionScript later on in this course though, so for now, save your work. We're going to return to this button again later.